Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of Amazon on all devices. First of all, make sure that you are connected to the internet and then open up the Amazon shopping app on your phone. After you are on the home page of the Amazon shopping app, on the bottom of your screen, you will see this profile option on the right hand side of the home option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the profile option, you will be guided to another page. Now on this page, on the top of your screen, click on this your account option. So once you click on your account option, you will be guided to another page. Now on this page, you will see a menu, and on this menu you will have to scroll down and find this manage content and devices option and click on it. Once you click on that option, you will further guided to another page. Now on this page, on the top of your screen, you will see this menu. On this menu, click on this devices option, wait for it to load, and there will be a list of other devices logged into your Amazon account. Now to remove a device, click on it, which will guide you to another page. Now on this page, simply click on this deregistered option and then confirm it, and there you have it, the device has been removed from your Amazon account. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.